Hey guys, welcome to Polyglot. This is Kalyana Sundam K. And in today's video, we are going to see about how to build a VS Code extension from scratch to remove comments in a code. You know comments, right? The additional information that is given by the developer in a code. Sometimes these comments are in a large manner. It is difficult to remove line by line. So I've developed a VS Code extension just to remove the comments. All the things we need to do is right click and to click on the option that is given by the extension, that is remove comments. So clicking on the remove comments will remove all the comments within the code. This is the problem statement for today, and we are going to develop in the new directory. Let me create it. Before we start that, we can explain what is a VS Code extension. So VS Code extension is a snippet of codes which can use it as a tool in VS Code. So Visual Studio Code. The things we need are needed for building a VS Code extension is the three files. The three files are the main thing: extension.ts, tsconfig.json, and package.json. So what is extension.ts? This contains the main source file of the future. So the future is defined here. Let's say we are going to remove the comments, right, in a file. So for this, the extension.ts holds the logic, and ts.config.json, which is the file which guides the compiler, that is a TypeScript compiler, how to compile the code. And package.json is the file which holds the libraries and the dependencies of the project. So these are the three files we required for building an VS Code extension. And VSCE, this is the main library related to npm node package manager. It holds it. And this is the full form of VS Code, that is Visual Studio Code extension. This library holds all the required tools for building extension for a VS Code. And followed by these are the comments, which is first is we are making a creating a file which is comment remover, and we are changing the directory to that. And npm init y, this is the initialization command. Followed by we are installing the necessary libraries which is stored in the package.json file. Followed by we are making a directory source. Source is the folder which contains the extension.ts file. Followed by we have correct structure. The tsconfig.json will be created by us. Followed by npm install -g vse. Vse is a main library which we required to build an extension. Let us go through the code. As I explained above, these are the commands which we are going to create the project structure. And initially the command remover directory will be created. Changing the directory is the second command, and npm init is the third command, which is to create the npm initializer. Followed by the package.json will be created with the third command. So using this command npm install and the necessary libraries like TypeScript, VS Code, all the things, it will add it to the package.json, and npm install will be happening here. Followed by making a directory named source. Source contains the extension.ts, which is the main logic of the extension. Let me hit enter. So this is the default package.json, which is the name of the extension, version, and which is the main file. Yeah, I think all the things are created now. You can see the package.json followed by. Yes, this is the new package.json file. I have filled the code in it. So after this, the name will be comment remover, and the display name is the extension name, which is displayed in the marketplace of the VS Code, followed by description. And moreoverly, all the data are the metadata of the VS Code in the marketplace. So engines, VS Code is a main dependency, so we are mentioning it with the version. Followed by the categories. Category in the sense the category will be displayed under the marketplace. That is, it is displayed under the formatters, themes and all the things. Activation events is not required as of now. And the main is the out in the extension.js, which is the machine compile file will be saved in out. I can show you after the npm run compile command. So hereby we are giving the commands like command remover dot remove commands, or you can just as I explained in the very first video, very first in the video, which is you can use the right click and use the remove comment options. Like which is comment remover dot remove comments will be invoked there, followed by the key bindings. So which is a command, the same command remover, followed by the key is control plus alt plus r, or in Mac control plus alt plus r, command plus alt plus r, followed by when edited text focus. So this is the event handler, which when the edited text focus is happen, all things will be happen according to this, followed by the scripts, as I said before, which is npm run compile. So we can pre-publish this using VS Code libraries, and followed by the npm run compile is the thing we declare it. And these are the other scripts which we can test and watch the things. Followed by the dependencies. VS Code is the main dependency here, and glob matcha are the other dependencies which is used for removing the comments. Followed by the TypeScript is the main language. So we can just go through this. This is a package.json, and followed by we need to create a new file called ts.config.json, followed by the extension.ts. You need to create a new file in source, which is extension.ts. So I've got a built this using TypeScript. This is the main logic here. I can explain this to you, which is we are first very first importing the VS Code library, followed by we are exporting a function, that is the activation function, followed by the if editor is not there, no activator is found. This is the base case, followed by we are declaring the constants, which is document, language ID, and text, followed by the main function is removing the comments. So the document will be at position 0, and we are getting the text length. So after the function is given the success like true or false, after this you need to display the toast message like comment removed successfully or failed to remove comments because of some errors. So the error will be catched here, and error removing the comments with respect to the error will be displayed. So these are the command declaration, where we gonna declare the commands according to the languages or the frameworks like JavaScript, TypeScript, Java, C Sharp, and so on. All the things will be declared here, and this will be mentioned in the markdown file, that is readme.md. This will be mentioned in the readme file. These are the languages which we can use a command remover extension. So yeah, let me done with this. After that, the pattern line. So we need to like compare both the things, line and the block. So if both are not in the same place, like both are not in the correct place, we need to throw an error, that is unsupported language. So yeah, any of these symbols is not there, and we just want to remove the comments. It will be throwing an error like unsupported language with the respective language ID. After that, we are storing a text in the result. We are creating a string map just to store the like remaining code after the placeholders. We are just capturing the string literals and replacing the string literals with the placeholders. This is the code snippet which we are doing this, and we are returning the placeholder after that. And we need to just have two cases, which is we need to just remove the line or the block. So initially the block, if patterns.block, you need to remove the block. After removing the block, we will be using the regular expression, removed it, and the result will be stored in the like after this the result will be replaced with the remaining code. This is the result variable which stores that. Similarly for patterns, followed by we have created a string map before this. So it will be iterating all the things, that is after removing it one by one, the first remaining code and the second remaining code will be iterated, and that is being replaced with one another. So finally the result will be returned here. Result is the code which is without comments. This is the entire logic which we have used for the extension, and all the dependencies will be stored in the package.json, and tsconfig.json will store the information about how the extension should be compiled in the TypeScript compiler. So we are done with the code. we have done with extension.ts and tsconfig.json package.json. These are the things. After this, you need to run the command like npm run compile. So regarding this, we have given a command to the, I mean the script to the package.json, which is npm run compile. This will compile the extension.ts and give you the machine generated code in the out file, as we mentioned in the package.json. So it is now compile in out extension and the extension.map. So yeah, we have done with this. Now we can test this. In order to test this, you need to be in extension.ts and you need to press the F5 button. You need to select the option VS Code extension development. So hereby the extension development host will be appeared here after you clicking the F5 button. So hereby we are giving a new file, which is test file, test.ts, and I'm pasting a sample code here just to test the extension file. Don't worry about the errors. The reason is there is no dependencies like package.json or all the things. You can see the comments like sample.ts and defining an interface for user details. And the thing is, you need to test this option. This is the main thing which we have mentioned in the package.json in the context menu, right? There is a right click. So after clicking this button, all the comments should be removed. Yes, all the comments will be removed. So we have validated the extension. It is good to be published in the VS Code marketplace. We can go through it. So after this, you need to give the command like VSCE, that is VS Code extension package. So it is packaging all the files in a version of VSIX. So yeah, as of now we don't require a repository and the license, and it is now packaged. You can see the VSIX file now. I've added the term in the package.json publisher name. So you should have a publisher account in the Microsoft Marketplace, that is VS Code Marketplace. After this, your name should be unique. There is more chances like the comment remover will be available in VS Code Marketplace. You can check that here. Comment remover. See, we have similarities of all over the things. It already exists. So you need to give a unique name. I've added the things like 1, 2, 3, 4. So now we gonna use this VSC publish. I think it is going to be published. Yes. No, we cannot do that. So we can just have a unique name. Code comment 101. Remember to save it. Let's wait for some time. Yes, yes. Display name is already taken. I think that this name. So you need to run all the things for every extension. You need to give unique name, display name. Yeah, it is published now. So the thing is, you need to verify it. Yes, it is now opening in it. So yes, it is published in VS Code Marketplace officially. We didn't give a logo for this. This is the thing which we have published before the comment remover. That's not a thing. Now the version number is here, and as I said before, we can just monitor who is installing, like how many persons are installing our extension and what is the trend about this. Install from VS Code, download from marketplace, and yes, we have published the VS Code extension now. Thank you for tuning in, and this is Kalyana Sundaram signing off today. Let me meet you in the new topic tomorrow. Thank you.